Hey, Rexy and Nika and Ben and my Amazon Guy team. Chad here. We've exchanged so many emails that I thought it was time for a little thank you. I was just feeling extra grateful, and as I sent the survey over, just tens all across the board, wanted to just let you know and kind of bring you into the behind the scenes a little bit, because you do all this digital stuff, messing with ACOS and bringing up ads and down ads and playing with things, but sometimes you don't get connected as much to the people and the actual tools and products behind the business. So I just wanted to send a huge thank you. I feel like especially over the last few weeks as we've been launching the name tags and trying to get the hardcover of Ask Powerful Questions linked up. You've just been extra super helpful. So I just want you to know that as you are doing this, right, some products, I don't know if you're selling more lotion, then you help people moisturize their skin. But as you're helping us sell name tags and We Connect cards and the toolkit, you're actually, and we've come to learn this, that you're actually helping us ship really good conversations, right? So typically people love having good, meaningful conversations, and yet oftentimes it's pretty rare in a work context. And so, just saying an extra thank you and connecting you to the perhaps the purpose behind behind all the numbers and the stats and the data that you do such a great job of sending over. All right, Nika, Ben, Rexy, rest of the team, thank you.